Hello savages, welcome back to Plant Geezer Coaching, off the cuff. I've got 10 minutes to eat, there's nothing in the house. I'm going to chuck a load of stuff together, try and get as much protein as I can and prove that even when there's nothing in the house, you can still eat, still get protein and still make it cheap. Let's see what happens. Okay, I've put some toast in, which is protein bread. I think that's around 7 or 8 gram per slice. So I'm going to put on that some peanut butter and sesame. Yeah, so I found these in the fridge and I reckon they're good. It is curry chickpeas, chickpeas with spinach and mild coconut sauce, typical dal, and I'm going to whack that in the microwave. I think there's about, give it a blast anyway, see what happens. So yeah, I got this from a Chinese supermarket. It's basically just peanut butter and sesame blended, just giving you something a bit different to peanut butter. Usually, if you blast around a teaspoon, it's about 15 gram. A big teaspoon would be like 20-25, but about 15 gram there, ready to be devoured. In the air fryer, I chopped up a pretty near mouldy eggplant. So I've got some roasted eggplant there. I did put these in before, so I'm a bit cheating a little bit really, but 20 minutes instead of 10. You got some nice aubergine. I don't even know which is the correct term. I think Americans eggplant in it, but either way, it's aubergine. It's roasted with garlic pepper, bit of oil, beautiful. Now, one might think it's a little bit weird to put eggplant with peanut butter on toast and a chickpea curry, but it hasn't got to be pretty. I've barely eaten for 2 days. I had a fruit fast yesterday. Today I'm on about 200 calories. I've had a bit of fruit, so this is my first protein hit of the week on a Tuesday afternoon. Asparagus, not asparagus. We've got the aubergine, the peanut butter on toast. I've got the curried chickpeas. What I've also whacked in is a scrambled tofu that I use for the meal preps. 25 gram of protein, scrambled tofu, mustard seeds, a little bit of coriander, a little bit of nooch, and that is going to go next to the asparagus like that. Oh, banging. The longer tofu is in the fridge, the better it is. So I'm going to put, oh, what was that? That was a bug then, it's a little bit of burnt aubergine. So I'm going to put that there, because if that touches the curry, I'll be sick. You can't mix peanut and chickpea curry, or can ya? Yeah, satay in it. Right, I'm going to whack that on the end there like that. I have some later, that's a big pack. Just squeeze that out like that. If I had to guess, that's like a third of a pack, and in this pack, for 550 gram, you get 9 gram of protein. I'd say there's about 8 gram of protein there, 25, that's 33. Aubergine, 3 gram, 4 gram. You're looking at 8 and 8 is 16. Call it 20, 45. There's already 53 gram of protein on this plate, and I'm still yet to finish the platter. So I'm gonna leave that there. Oh, I've got some watermelon as well. It ain't the best, it's a bit of a cheapy one, but I'm gonna have that later. But anyway, I've just found some olives, and I used to hate olives. I used to think these were vile, but now I absolutely love them, and I'm gonna get them on there like that. This is what I wanted, man. Sun-dried tomatoes. Can't get it off. How embarrassing is that? There we go. Beautiful. A couple of gram of protein in these as well. Very, very little protein, but we're gonna add it on. What did I say, 53 gram? We're gonna call it 55 gram for the whole dish. If you're not bothered about aesthetics, that is gonna be a decent meal. Look at that. We've got the scrambled tofu, we've got the chickpea curry, and the olives and the sun-dried tomatoes. And I'm just gonna blast that for 55 gram of protein. Job done, wham bam, thank you, man. They say a plant-based diet is hard, I find it easy. That is why I've created a 20,000 word guide for you to download for free if you just chuck your email and join the list. Helping people with calories, fitness, what to buy, what to cook, blah, 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 all of that jazz. And it is yours for free, and it all came from here, not from AI. Eat plant-based, get your protein in, and thanks for watching. You are not the one true savage.